I did not list all 48 sectors we have in the model because then the graph would have been too big. Out of these sectors, we have selected about 10 industries to analyze in more detail. Today I won't talk about all 10 of these, but only about the first two. That is the textile sector, which has the highest embodied carbon imports, and the motor vehicle sector, which will be picked up by Simon later on in the case study on the CO2 in cars regulation. So let's start with the textile sector. In 2010, about 3/4 of embedded emissions, gray area, were emitted outside the EU. This share increased from about 60% in 2000. The increase is mainly due to an increase in embedded emissions originating from China, which you can see on the bottom left graph. The blue part of the bars is China. And you can see that the share of China doubled between 2000 and 2010. In 2010, or in all years, India had the second largest share. India is the light blue part of the bar. The graph on the right-hand side shows in which industries along the production chain the emissions occurred. So not the final demand sector, so textiles, but in the industries along the production chain of textiles where the emissions occur. Half or more than half of embedded emissions can be traced back to the electricity sector, and the